I'm Mrs. Churchill. I teach physical education and health. New this year for PE, we will be mostly outside. I will be sanitizing in between classes, all the equipment, and at the end of the day, a bigger sanitization. Remote learners, I will be working with Seesaw for K through 3, and I will be on the 4th and 5th grade Google Classroom. I will put announcements on and you can find stuff to do at home. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Casey Schmidt, the art teacher. Special things in my classroom that we're going to be doing to keep ourselves safe is sanitizing when we come in and out of the classroom. There's some schedule changes to allow more time for cleaning in between, and students are mostly going to be bringing their own supplies to use. Anything we have to share will get cleaned between classes. For remote learners, you'll just watch the online platform for your grade. K through 3 is Seesaw, 4 and 5 is Google Classroom. Looking forward to seeing you guys.
Hello everybody, this is Mr. Pauls and I am the elementary librarian here. I also teach junior high math, and so I spend my mornings at the junior high and my afternoons here at the elementary school. We will still be doing library classes this year. We will also still be checking out books to take home. We do have obviously some precautions in place. One of the biggest ones is when books come back, they will be wiped down and then quarantined for 3 days before they're put back on the shelf and available to be checked out. And then, like the others have already said, sanitizing coming in and out, masks while in the library. Can't promise 6 feet, but we'll spread out as much as we can. And unfortunately for remote learners, there won't be library classes available, but I will email out some information. I'm working on some accounts with some online libraries. And once I have that set up, I will send that information out to the parents. I wish you all a good year, and I'm confident it's going to be one of our best years ever.
Hello, I'm Mr. Scott Taylor. I'm the band director at Goessel, and I teach band grades 5 through 12, so I'll be working with the 5th graders here. I'm excited to get started. Let's band together.
Hi, I'm Braden Unruh. I teach 4 through 12 vocal music. We're looking forward to seeing you. Even though our classroom will look a little bit different, we're still going to have a lot of fun making music together. For my remote learners, you can find activities and songs on Google Classroom, and we'll check in periodically. Looking forward to seeing you all.
Hi, I'm Marcia Brubaker. You might call me Mrs. B here at school. And if you're a remote learner, I'll be putting my activities on the Seesaw platform that each classroom teacher is using. Keep a song in your heart, and looking forward to seeing you soon.
Hello, this is Jana Dirksen. I'm the K through 12 counselor, and I will be primarily in the elementary school on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you need any support from home or in the classroom, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Kristiana Miller. I'm the Title I teacher here. So I work with individuals and small groups of students who need a little extra help in reading or math, and I help teachers assess students in their class as well. I'm also the English language learner teacher, so I help students who speak another language at home. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Jody Schmidt, special education teacher. I work with students in the Learning Lab. Looking forward to seeing everyone.
Hi, I'm Theresa Morris. I'm the occupational therapist for the county. We are in the buildings this year on Monday afternoons. So you may get in touch with me through the special ed teacher here, Jody Schmidt. And I look forward to working with the staff and the students at Goessel Elementary again this year.
Hi, I'm Karen Bonowitz. I'm the speech language pathologist here at the elementary and the junior high and the high school. and I look forward to working with my identified students, and individually arrangements will be made, and we will work with you to make it the best year ever. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rachel Bowden, and I am the school social worker for preschool and elementary school, as well as the junior high and high school. I look forward to seeing all you individually, and if you have any questions, you can always email. See you soon.